Today is May 4, 2020, and today is hashtag May the 4th be with you. Kay May 4 man karon, and this time, Iligan City is under general community quarantine. Since then, some of the people from social media posted in a Facebook group called Iligan MCQ Palakasan 2020 Official Pasikat. And shout out pala kay Sir Alexander Burias na nakatutok karon. And as of May 4, 2020, we have umabot pa ng 23,500 members. And each cluster has 6 colors. We have red team, orange team, yellow team, green team, blue team, and violet team. Based sa quarantine pass as scheduled for today. And of course, medyo pansinin ha, murag palakasan ang peg mga kasquad. And punta tayo sa Shoutouts Corner, kung saan sinusuportahan ng mga artista sa mga color teams of Iligan City, mapa-local man o international. Eto, watch this!
Hi! It's a wonderful day today, everyone. My name is Angel Marie Madrigal, your Queen Philippines Earth 2019, saying you a very, very good luck to Blue Phoenix team of Iligan City. I wish you have a very good fight. Laban lang, Alaksa!
Greetings to the city of majestic waterfalls, Iligan City. This is Hannah Constancina Ana Binibining Filipinas representing Masbate, and I am here to send my good luck wishes to the yellow team for the Iligan City MCQ Palakasan 2020. I hope you guys will bring home the gold, and praying for your safety, and I hope you enjoy. See you guys very soon.
Hi, I'm Bebba Margaza, Queen of the Ocean of Itbulaga. Shout out din ha sa tanan Team Blue Phoenix of Iligan City. Stay home and stay safe, mga Iliganos. Laban lang, girls.
Yo, what's up? Shout out sa Team Orange ng Tubod, Iligan City. Yon, shout out sa inyo dyan. Peace yo, Honcho. Ay, ang magpapashoutout pala si John Paul Alcano. Peace.
Hello guys, I'm Chard, aka Mr. Pastillas, and hi to Team Green Gunner of Iligan City. Amping mo dyan tanan, stay safe, stay at home, God bless you always, and see you soon.
Big shout out to Iligan City. This is Derek Ramsey. I hope everybody's safe. I hope everybody's well. Mas lalo na sa mga guys dyan sa green sector, group 4. My prayers are with you. Take care everybody and stay safe. Stay at home. Sa mga Frisbee peeps, what's up?
Maayong adlaw, Iligan City, lalo na sa Gaite family. At special mention sa lahat ng mga frontliners, lalo na sa Group 3 Yellow. Sana nasa maayos kayong kalagayan, lahat kayo. At sana maging malusog kayo at kumain ng mabuti. Huwag niyong papabayaan ang inyong mga sarili. Stay home and stay safe. God bless you all.
Hi Jel, happy birthday. Hope you're okay and safe and healthy. I just want to say, hope you're having a blessed day. And another thing, go Team Orange Tigers. Peace.
Hi po mga taga-Iligan City. Ako po si Gabriela, ang original na kumanta po ng awiting Natatawa Ko. Ayan, nais ko po sana ipaalala sa inyo na stay home and stay safe muna po tayo. Lalong-lalo na po ang Team Violet. Go, go, Ube! Ako po ulit si Gabriela. Natatawa ako nang marinig ko ang balita ang mayroon ka ng iba.
Hello, just sending my best wishes to the blue team, my support for Blue Team Group 5, Team Bukid for Ilaga City MCQ Palakasad. Alright? Stay at home. Best wishes.
Oh my gosh. Iligan City, this is your Saling and Kulas in Cagayan de Oro.
Ulan!
Do you know why it's Ulan? Because I'm crying tears of joy for Team Orange, Iligan City. You rock. Power on with your MCQ. You're gonna rock this. Go everyone in Iligan, but especially Team Orange. Tubod represent. Obak family. Woo! Ulan! Ulan! Yeah! Go Orange!
Hello everyone, this is Lucas Garcia at gusto ko lang pong i-good luck ang Team Blue for Iligan City MCQ. God bless po sa inyong lahat, good luck, and mag-iingat kayo palagi.
Magbuklod, buklod tayo, magkaisa bawat Pilipino, upang unahan yung kabataan, dalhin sila sa bagong silang. Silang. Yaman, ito po si Ras Ace ng Natural High. At shout out sa Green Team ng Barangay Bagong Silang at sa lahat-lahat ng mga Iliganan dyan. Keep safe kayong lahat. Bless and love, Latin Familia, Lamina. Yaman, pakatatag tayo at happy tayo. Magtulungan tayo bawat Pilipino. Bless and love.
Hello my friends at Green Knights Group 4 MCQ Iligan, Palakasan, especially sa Barangay Del Carmen. Hope you guys are safe, are healthy, at tatandaan nyo, in times of uncertainty, nothing is certain. God bless you soon.
Hello sa lahat ng mga kababayan natin dyan sa Iligan. I hope you guys are safe. Stay safe everyone. Wear your mask, wash your hands, always, and social distancing guys. Stay safe, God bless you all, lalo na sa Team Yellow. I love you guys, take care.
Shout out to the Group 5 Team Blue Eagles ng Iligan at sa mga Iligan musicians. Buhay kayo!
Kumusta po kayo dyan sa Iligan City? Sa Group 6, Team Violet, please take good care of yourselves, and to all our frontliners, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Please, we will be praying for you. Please stay healthy. And to everybody, please stay home and stay safe. And Viva Iligan! Ayan, and especially I'm saying hi to Onga family of the Lipuga, Iligan City. God bless you, Iligan!
Hello, Green Team ng MCQ Palakasan dyan sa Iligan City. Si Jong Hilaro to. Gusto ko lang kayong batiin at gusto ko lang kayong sabihan na mag-iingat po kayo palagi at sana patuloy tayong ipagdasal. Pagdasal po natin ang mga frontliners natin na talagang nakikipaglaban para makaligtas ng buhay, at syempre gabayan din po sana ng ating Panginoon lahat ng mga naapektuhan ng virus na ito, at sana po pagdasal natin yung mga lahat ng mga namumuno sa atin, lahat ng mga leaders natin dito sa Pilipinas. Sana gabayan ng Panginoon at sana matapos na itong pinagdadaanan natin. God bless you. Ingat po kayo palagi. Stay home. Go Green Team!
Thank you sa mga artista! Thank you for the shout out sa mga color teams. Yeah. And of course, may isa pa. We have a message from the President of the Republic of the Philippines to the Iliganons. Eto, pakinggan natin.
Good day to these 6 clusters sa Iligan City, composed of 44 barangays. Alam mo, please, pagpuyo mo sa inyong balay. Ayaw si Laroy-Laroy, kaya na ay ginapairal nga basta ako sabihin ko, mabuhay kayong lahat.
Thank you kayo, President Duterte. And thank you mga ka-squad sa mga naghihintay, no? Kay bago na to ang hair, kay almost 53 days na ang community quarantine at home quarantine dito sa headquarters na ito. So bawal ako magawas-gawas. Yeah. And of course, we pray for that so that mawala na po unta ang quarantine, kay magsuot og face mask, following social distancing, sanitization like washing your hands or putting alcohol or hand sanitizer And remember, stay at home, mga squad. And don't forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter and Instagram, and make sure to click subscribe and click the bell button. So for today, mag-support tayo 1,000 subscribers. Until then, mga squad, this is Squaddy Michael of the Green Team. Keep it here on Squaddy Logs. Stay safe!